Are you struggling with your YouTube channel growth? Do you feel that you are doing everything possible or doing everything right, yet not seeing result? Well, in today's video, I'm here to tell you that to be successful here on YouTube, it requires times, effort, most importantly, doing the right thing consistently. And if you are ready to build strong and successful YouTube channel, come closer. Let me share with you some tips that you can use to grow your YouTube channel successful here on YouTube. So the number one tips I'll be sharing with you is what? Focus on quality over quantity. Yes, quality matters. I know it is tempting for you to want to rush and upload as many videos as you can. But if your content is not engaging, informative, and entertaining, people will not stick around to watch your video. So take your time to plan your video, work on a good video and your audio quality, and edit the video to make it more engaging and entertaining and informative. With that, you will see that you are creating a high quality video. Always remember that one good video is better than 10 or 100 rush video you post on your YouTube channel. So the number two way you can grow your YouTube channel successfully here on YouTube is by what? Choosing a niche and stick to the niche. Yes, a lot of new content creator, new YouTuber used to do this mistake by jumping from one topic to another. Today you are posting vlogging, next tomorrow you are posting I'm having a lunch, the other day you are posting a celebrities gist. So all these things will confuse your audience. They will not even know what the purpose of your channel. So I will always advise you what, stick to what a niche that you know you are comfortable with, and stick to it. Do not post different things on your channel. Before you know, you will be losing audience, because there's no way you can build audience through that. People do not know which one to watch, whether to watch. So what you need to do is to what? Pick a niche that you are passionate about. Stay consistent with your content. Then with time, you will attract the right audience for your YouTube channel. Another way you can grow your YouTube channel is by what? Learning and what? Improving your content strategies. Yes, YouTube success is not just about posting video or posting content here on YouTube. It's about learning what works and what does not work here on YouTube. So you need to know what is working and what is not working in the right way. So if you are doing what is working in the right way, your YouTube channel will be a successful channel. So I will always tell you to what? Go to your YouTube analytics, study it, check it every day. Make that YouTube analytics your friend if you want to be successful here on YouTube. No, it will help you to know what your audience love, what they want to watch, what time they are online, what time you need to post your content. So the YouTube analytics will help you to do that. Another great way you can learn and grow is by what? Making a research of a trendy topic on your niche. Look for a topic that is trendy on your niche. Make a research about it and create your video towards that direction. It will what? Improve your your content strategies. Study those YouTubers that are successful here on YouTube. Go to their own channel. Look for what they are doing, how they are doing their own things. Since they are successful, follow the right step they are following. Do your own in your own unique way, and your channel will grow drastically. Study what those your successful channel, check what they are doing, and what do you own in your own unique way. So always know that every video you upload here on YouTube is a learning experience. So make sure you are improving in each video you are posting, learning, and check what is working on this video and what does not work on this video. So all these things you put together, you will see that you are improving your YouTube channel and you are growing your YouTube channel. Success does not come overnight, so it requires effort. Yes, the fourth way you can grow your YouTube channel successful is by what? Be patient, trust the process. Yes, I got it. Putting all your effort, your time, sleepless night, creating a video, at the end of the day, low view or no view, no comment or no engagement. I understand. I know it's frustrating. But I will tell you that every successful YouTuber, those big YouTube channels you watch on YouTube, they all undergo this process. So it is not easy. So I will always advise you, focus on consistency, not overnight success. Always create content and redefine your skin. Growth will come with time and effort. The key is to what? Never give up. So the last tips that I'll be giving you on how you can grow your YouTube channel successful here on YouTube is what? By what? Building a community, not just building a YouTube channel. You know what? YouTube is not all about uploading video or content. It is all about building a relationship with your audience. Yes, what you need to do is to what? By make sure that you are always engaging with your audience or engaging, make sure you are engaged with the viewers by what? Replying their comment or like, and also encourage discussion and ask for what? Their feedback, your viewer feedback to know how the video is doing. And what you will do next again is to what? By what? Join other social media group, collaborate with other creators so that you both can help each other. It is very, very nice and important for you to what? Join other social media group and collaborate with other creators to learn one or two things from them. And always remember that it is those communities that will what? Help your YouTube channel before you blow up. So my fellow content creator, the secret to YouTube success is very simple. Do the right thing and be patient. Focus on quality over quantity. Stick to your niche. Improve on your video. And the most important thing, trust the process. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more creators tips. Drop your comment below. What is your biggest YouTube struggle? Let's grow together. Thank you for watching.